Hey everybody, it's Keisha Sumner, also known as the Ivy Marketing Mogul. I wanted to do this quick video for you on how to make your first $1,000 online in 30 days. And you can actually do this with just about any business, okay? Because there's a system to this. And the reason why I'm putting this video together, to be honest with you, is because even for me, I've made money online. I can show you proof of that later, but I've made money online, and yet I still find myself struggling. And I'll be completely honest with you, struggling to make consistent money online. And one of the things that I have discovered and what I found out is a lot of times people, I'm going to kind of jump right in here, people don't have belief and they don't have commitment. And that commitment really means, it really means consistency. That's what, at the end of the day, that's what that commitment really means. A lot of people think that you can make money in 24 hours. You can. Don't get me wrong. I have jumping out of the gate, but and there are some ways that you can do it for free, but it takes a long time. So and it's minimal money. It's very tiny money if you want to do it for free. So excuse me. So I'm going to show you here, and over the next 30 days, I'm going to experiment. I'm going to show you. No, don't get me wrong. Again, I made some money last week. Wasn't a lot, but I did make some money. But I want to start making it consistently. So this is going to be, something for me and you to kind of go through. And I invite you to do a 30-day challenge, a 30-day video challenge. It's very specific. It has to be YouTube videos, okay? A 30-day, and I'll put that in the description, 30-day YouTube video challenge with me. If you're interested, please let me know. Please reach out to me. You'll see my information below, because obviously you can't click here, okay? So that's what you have to have. The first thing, you have to believe that you can do it, and you have to make the commitment to do so, and that means consistency. So let's talk about the second thing. You have to have a mid to high ticket system. Look, so let me tell you something. I'm gonna be honest with you. The same amount of effort that you are going to take to make $25 and $32 and $25 and $10 online is the same amount of effort that you're going to take to make $1,000, $10,000, $250. It's the same amount of effort. So why waste your time on $10 per person? Why don't you go for the gold and make some real money? Okay, so I wanted to show you this that I found. I've been wanting something that I can put all my little offers on and send, the link is below, but send you to, so that you can choose the type of system that you're looking to partner up with, and also with me. So this is called the residual income.tv, and I basically just have my list of businesses that I'm involved in. I'm involved in all these businesses, and I have these that you can choose through. Again, my link is below, because I'm going to show you that high ticket business. So the first one is the Fearless Mama Project. Now, I know it sounds weird, but the Fearless Mama Project is really about going online and being fearless about jumping online and really hooking up with people who are like-minded and who really want to be able to have some success online. I'll be honest with you. It says, if you go to this link, and if you click the link and you go to this link, it says, see how you can collect $250 plus in the next 72 hours or less. I'll be honest, I did not collect $250 in the first 72 hours. To be honest, I just didn't. And I'll tell you why. The reason why is because of the consistency of the commitment. Nobody knows me online. Nobody really knows me online. And if you don't know the person that you're connecting with, and you can't really identify with them, and you have nothing online, you can't really, it's not going to happen. To be honest, some of the, I like what she's about. I really, 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 really like what this company is about. That's why I connected with them. I have some resources that you can use in order to make money. And I'll tell you the real deal behind making money. That'll be another video. But yeah, so I like this because of the people. Okay. And you can collect more than $250. So that's the second thing that, you've got to have. You've got to have a mid to high ticket system if you want to do at least $1,000 in your first 30 days. If you do not, know where to get $250 from, I do have financing available, okay, to you, so that you can get started. Okay, I have a source that I can hook you up with, and you can get that $250, and you can start, making some money. Okay. So that's that. Okay. And even the $250 is the financing is available. Okay, so you definitely have to have some skin in the game, but financing is available for you. Okay. So the second thing is 3 to 5 lead sources going every day. Now, this is the part that people don't do, which is the reason why they don't make $1,000 online. The bottom line is you have to have 3 to 5 lead or more 3 to 5 lead sources going for you every day. So let's talk about the ones that actually work, that I've made money from. Okay, even if it's a little piece of change I've made money from. So part of this list here is I go into my lead sources. So this is one. No, actually, I take that back. Well, sort of. I'll one of the businesses in here, Now Lifestyle, is I don't think I have it on here, but you can get to it. Now Lifestyle is a business. It does give you some very good leads. The people that are on my team right now, the majority of them came from Now Lifestyle. So if you click this link, you can use this funnel for free, and then it has opportunities inside of the business. The first one is Easy One Up, and I think the second one is Now Lifestyle, or actually the first one is Now Lifestyle, and getting that set up. So you can actually purchase leads, actually paying leads from this one. Okay, so that's actually a really good one. The next one that I use is Viral URL. I'm always getting leads to my business. I mean, every time I send out a mailer, this is a mailer system. Every time I send out a mailer, I get leads. I mean, 100% every single time. I get at least probably 4 to 7 leads, opt-ins, every single time. So you definitely want to get this. The conversion pros. Okay, so I just it's funny because I have people that are coming to me 2 years later and connecting with me from the conversion pros. Okay, they actually have leads that you can purchase that are pre-qualified. So they don't. They probably ask them at most. They basically say you're going to get a call from somebody later on. Expect the call. So you can get those types of leads, or you can get those are your pre-qualified leads, and then also you can get leads that go straight into your autoresponder. So this is a great one. Great. I ordered 25 leads. I didn't get any conversions, but I got some great calls. Oh my gosh. I pretty much talked to just about everybody that was on that list, and they knew that I was going to call. So yeah, I was almost connected to one person, but they said they didn't have any money, so I don't know what that was about. But needless to say, one young lady I was about to connect with, but it didn't happen. But I did get their email, so They're gonna be on my list. Okay. The other one, MLM Recruit on Demand. I really, really like this because you get leads for your business and you can make phone calls and you can get them over and over and over and over and over again. If you, the only thing that the owner wants you to do is go through and call all the people that are on that list, and then he'll send you more leads to call. So seriously, you could, if you I think the best way to connect with people is on the phone. Like seriously, I think you should connect with people on the phone. And don't be afraid of that. They don't know who you are, so might as well. So this is a great opportunity to get leads, endless leads for your business. And every time they opt into your MLM Recruit on Demand list, you get 5 extra leads. SMS phone leads. This is a great one if you like phone blasters and text messaging blasters. So this is a great one. I started using this one. I haven't had any conversions just yet. But I only use a text messaging one. So I've used a phone blaster before, and this is, you can actually get the ringless voice like mail through this. So this is a good one. I like this one a lot. Op seekers. Now, op seekers people don't really know about, so this is a good one. And all of these businesses, you can actually make money when you share it with other people. So op seekers is a really, really good one. I got maybe 1 or 2 people from op seekers, so you can actually get weight loss specific people as well. So that's a good one too. And that's about it. So if you want to, again, it's not hard to do the 1,000. I have done this before, so don't get me wrong. I have done this before, but I will say that the reason why was that I knew that I couldn't fail, and I knew that I wasn't going to fail, and the commitment. I was heavily invested and heavily committed to it. And at the time, I had a mid-tier I had a mid-tier ticket system that I was using to make the money, and sure enough, I actually used at the time I used Craigslist. So I didn't put Craigslist on here, but you can also use that as a lead source as well. So thank you very much for listening. If you have any questions, you can always text me. Please, 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 always text me because I see the messages. The messages, and if you want to do a 30-day YouTube video challenge with me, you can. You will have to come into a mid-tier to high ticket system to do so. And of course, the one that we're going to go into is the Fearless Mama Project. Okay, and we're going to use YouTube, and we're going to put this little plan together, and we're going to make it happen. Thank you very much, and I will see you later. Peace.